There's a lot of noise in pharma manufacturing right now. Supply disruption, tariffs going on, off, and on again, price pressure, capacity crunches in in-demand modalities. If you want to separate signal from noise and learn how external manufacturing leaders from Roche, MSD, Pfizer, Sandoz, Polpharma, Bayer, Takeda, and 650 others are really navigating 2026, CDMO Live Europe is where you need to be. Here are the top 5 reasons. Stay up to date with the latest insights into how the market is shifting. We'll be unveiling new research from Simon Kucher on sponsor and CDMO alignment, lightning talks on AI in manufacturing, focus on sustainability with the PSCI, and Gil Roth on the latest in US policy.
It's been fantastic. I'm really impressed. The whole atmosphere, vibe, and even the aesthetic of it. It's a very welcoming event.
2. Over 100 CDMOs are curated through PartnerMatch, our targeted one-to-one meeting program that matches you with shortlisted partners that meet your specific brief.
Speed dating, ability to meet new people really quickly.
We're here because this is right now the new place to be for CDMOs.
3. Connect with peers. Spend 2 days with people solving the same problems you have. There are 20 roundtables, from supply resilience to tech transfers.
We are really surprised about this event. Format is really clever.
4. Training for you and your team. Get involved with workshops on scenario planning and strategic alliances with State of Flux. The Biotech CMC Bootcamp gives you a foundation in getting your CMC investor ready. And finally, we believe the experience is what makes this event truly special. We've got the CDMO Live Boat Party with live music and a secret comedian. There's a cycle tour, happy hour, executive dinners, the Rotterdam Run. So join Europe's outsourcing community on the 19th to the 21st of May in Rotterdam. You can download the full agenda from cdmolive.com.